In this program, we are going to understand how to convert the given distance in feet into inches, yards, and miles. So, we are reading a value from the user from the keyboard using this input function, and we are asking the user to enter the distance in feet. After that, because the output generated by this input function will be string, so we have to convert it. So we are doing typecasting here, and we are converting the given value into integer, and we are storing that in this particular variable, that this much distance is given in feet by the user. And now we have to convert that distance in inches. So the formula that we are applying is whatever the value is given by the user in feet, we have to multiply that by 12 in order to convert it into inches, and the result of this calculation will be stored in this variable. So we will get the inches. After that, we have to calculate the yards. So we are applying the formula that whatever the distance given by the user in feet, that has to be divided by 3. So that will give you the result in yards, and we are storing that in this variable. After that, again we are calculating for miles, and we are applying the formula that whatever the distance given by the user in feet, that has to be divided by this number in order to convert it into the number of miles. And after that, we are simply printing the result along with the message, with the print statement, that in the first statement we are displaying the inches, the second statement we are displaying the yards, and the third statement we are displaying the miles. Now if we execute the program to see the output, simply click on run module, and it is asking to enter the distance in feet. Let's say we have got 1000 feet, and press enter. So it says that it has got 12,000 inches, and it is, when it is converted into yards, it has got 333.33 yards, and when converted into miles, we are getting 0.19 miles. So here what you can see is, in the print statement we have used this modulus 0.2f. so that is what we are getting 2 decimal places for the result in the output. So here you can see we are getting 2 decimal places after the in the floating decimal value on the result printed on the screen.